I'm on the route of the old GWR Stratford upon Avon to Cheltenham line again, and this magnificent piece of railway engineering is known as Stanway Viaduct. The viaduct consists of 15 arches, and each arch is 36 feet or 11 metres high. And as you can see from this diagram, Stanway Viaduct is about 2/3 of the way down the line from Stratford upon Avon to Cheltenham. And Stanway Village is actually a little estate village built around Stanway House. And Stanway House famously has the world's highest gravity-fed fountain. The bridge was built in 1904 out of blue brick, which is absolutely typical for this era. But during the construction of the bridge, a tragedy happened and 4 arches collapsed, killing 4 people and injuring several others. And you can see a clear demarcation here where the new brickwork has been built above the height of the collapse. And whenever I've come here over the years, I've always been struck by the absolute grandeur of this structure. A monumental piece of civil engineering. And as you walk under these arches, you get a real sense of the size of this project. The piers seem to me slightly splayed and give such gravity to the whole construction of the arches. And as you walk underneath one of these arches, you can see the sheer volume of brickwork, which is absolutely staggering. And the viaduct has recently undergone major civil engineering works to waterproof the whole structure, and a new concrete track bed has been laid all the way along. There's a most interesting architectural feature to this viaduct. Each pier has an aperture in it, and you can clearly look down the line of apertures to have this extremely interesting view down the line of the arches. These chalk marks to the underside of the arch are showing where brickwork needs some attention. And once again just showing the sheer bulk of brickwork involved in this structure. And here a little brook just passes under one of the arches, and what a lovely scene, with horses now running in this field. And just looking again down the voids in the piers, and what a unique sight. And so for me, yet another fascinating visit to Stanway Viaduct in Gloucestershire.